Picture this, a barn roof design from the 1600s that's so brilliant, it's still being used in 2026 to build some of the most beautiful and functional structures in America. I'm talking about the Dutch Gambrel roof, that iconic curved barn roof you see out in the countryside. But here's what most people don't know. There's a secret built into that distinctive curve that protects the building for over 100 years. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll understand why architects, builders, and homeowners are choosing this centuries-old design over modern alternatives. And I'll show you the one feature that makes Dutch Gambrel superior to regular gambrel roofs. But before we dive in, if you're interested in barn designs, alternative housing, or classic architecture, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos where I break down timeless building designs that actually work. What is a Dutch Gambrel roof? Let's start with the basics. A gambrel roof is that distinctive two-slope design you see on classic barns. It looks like someone took a regular peaked roof and gave a knee bend on each side. You've got an upper slope that sits at a shallow angle, usually less than 30 degrees, and then a lower slope that's much steeper, around 60 degrees. Think of a horse's hind leg, which is actually where the name comes from. The word gambrel comes from the medieval Latin word gamba, meaning horse's hock or leg. Now here's where it gets interesting. The Dutch Gambrel is not the same as a regular gambrel roof. The defining feature that sets Dutch gambrels apart is the flared eaves. This is that distinctive kick or curve at the very bottom of the roof where it meets the walls. Instead of the roof coming straight down, it flares outward, creating what looks like a graceful bell curve at the bottom edge. This isn't just about aesthetics. That flared eave, that kick in the roofline, throws rainwater away from the barn foundation. Water doesn't run straight down the side of the building, where it can saturate the foundation and cause rot or structural damage. Instead, it gets kicked out several feet away from the base. This single design feature has preserved barn foundations for over a century. It's brilliant engineering disguised as beautiful architecture, the history and why it matters. The Dutch gambrel roof style appeared in the second half of the 19th century and became especially popular after the Civil War. Dutch settlers brought this design from the Netherlands to America in the 1600s, establishing colonies in New York, New Jersey, Delaware, and Western Connecticut. They built homes and barns using techniques familiar from the Low Countries, and the gambrel roof was one of their most practical innovations. Here's something fascinating. In the old days, some regions taxed buildings based on the number of stories. A gambrel roof allowed builders to create significant usable space in the upper level, while technically keeping the building classified as 1.5 stories instead of 2 full stories. So homeowners and farmers save money on taxes while maximizing their storage and living space. Smart, right? The design caught on because it solved real problems. Farmers needed massive storage space for hay, grain, and equipment. The gambrel roof, essentially a gable roof pushed outwards, created this bulging 4-plane form that dramatically increased loft space compared to a simple peaked roof. You could store an entire season's hay harvest in that upper area. Why Dutch gambrel barns are still relevant in 2026. You might be wondering why anyone would choose a centuries-old roof design in 2026 when we have modern materials and engineering. Here's the truth. Good design is timeless, and the Dutch gambrel roof solves problems that haven't changed. Maximum usable space is still the #1 reason. Modern barndominiums, workshops, and hobby barns use gambrel roofs for the exact same reason farmers did 200 years ago. That steep lower slope creates incredible headroom on the upper level. Instead of a cramped attic, you get a fully usable second floor with actual standing room. For a 30 by 40 foot barn, you might gain an additional 600 to 800 square feet of usable space compared to a standard gable roof. Weather protection remains critical. The steep slopes shed water and snow extremely efficiently. In northern climates where snow load is a major concern, that steep lower pitch prevents dangerous snow accumulation. The snow slides right off before it can build up to problematic levels. And remember those flared eaves? They're still protecting foundations in 2026, just like they did in 1826. Cost effectiveness matters more than ever. Despite being more complex than a simple gable roof, gambrel construction uses materials efficiently. You're creating almost double the interior space without the expense of building full 2-story walls. Modern materials like steel and engineered trusses have actually made gambrel construction even more affordable and accessible. Aesthetic appeal has never been higher. There's a massive trend toward farmhouse aesthetics, barndominium living, and rustic modern design. The Dutch gambrel roof delivers instant curb appeal and character that modern roof designs simply can't match. It connects your building to architectural history while providing thoroughly modern functionality. The design elements that make it work. Let's break down the key components of a well-designed Dutch gambrel barn. The slope angles are critical. The upper slope typically sits at 20 to 30 degrees, while the lower slope ranges from 60 to 70 degrees. This specific combination maximizes interior space while maintaining structural integrity and weather performance. Get these angles wrong, and you lose the benefits. The flared eaves are the signature Dutch element. This outward curve, or kick at the bottom, extends the roofline 12 to 24 inches beyond where a straight slope would end. Modern builders achieve this with curved rafters or specially designed eave extensions. The result is that distinctive bell-cast profile and the crucial water management function. Dormers are commonly integrated into Dutch gambrel designs. These window projections break up the roofline, add natural light to the upper level, and provide ventilation. Gable dormers are traditional, while shed dormers spanning much of the roofline offer a contemporary twist that dramatically increases usable space. End walls require special attention. Unlike the sides with their complex curves, the gable ends are typically straight walls. This is where you'll find large barn doors, windows, and ventilation openings. The contrast between the ornate curved sides and the functional straight ends creates visual interest. Overhangs and eaves extend beyond the walls on all sides, typically 12 to 36 inches. These protect siding from weather, create covered areas at entrances, and contribute to the traditional barn aesthetic. Combined with the flared eaves on the long sides, you get comprehensive weather protection. Modern materials and construction. Here's where tradition meets innovation. In 2026, you can build a Dutch gambrel barn using materials that would astound those original Dutch settlers. Metal roofing has become the premium choice for gambrel barns. Standing seam metal roofs are lightweight, extremely durable with 50-plus year lifespans, and available in dozens of colors. They complement the gambrel profile beautifully and require virtually no maintenance. The smooth surface also helps snow slide off even more efficiently. Steel framing and trusses have revolutionized gambrel construction. Pre-engineered steel trusses arrive on site ready to install, with the gambrel angles precisely calculated for your building size. This eliminates the complexity that once made gambrel roofs expensive to build. A crew can erect the entire truss system in a matter of days. Engineered wood products offer another modern option. Laminated veneer lumber and engineered I-joists provide incredible strength-to-weight ratios. You can span wider distances with smaller members, reducing material costs while maintaining structural integrity. Spray foam insulation transforms the upper level into climate-controlled space. Those old barns were never insulated, but modern Dutch gambrel structures can achieve excellent energy efficiency. Spray foam follows every curve of the roof, creating an airtight thermal envelope that makes the upper level comfortable year-round. Composite and fiber cement siding provides the look of traditional wood without the maintenance. Board and batten siding is especially popular on gambrel barns, emphasizing the vertical lines and complementing the roof curves. Practical applications today. Dutch gambrel roofs are being used for diverse purposes in 2026. Barndominiums lead the trend. These barn-style homes combine living quarters with workshop or garage space under one roof. The gambrel design gives you bedrooms with actual ceiling height on the upper level, not cramped spaces under a low roof. A 40 by 60 barndominium might have 1,600 square feet of living space on the main level and another 1,200 square feet upstairs. Workshop and hobby barns benefit immensely from the design. That upper level becomes organized storage for seasonal equipment, supplies, and materials, while the main level serves as active workspace. You've got the vertical clearance on the main floor for vehicle lifts, tall equipment, or RV storage, plus incredible storage above. Agricultural barns still use gambrel roofs for traditional purposes. Modern farms need equipment storage, hay and feed storage, and animal housing. The Gambrel delivers all of this efficiently. Many farmers are building new Gambrel barns to replace aging structures, using modern materials but preserving the proven design. Commercial and retail structures are adopting Gambrel roofs for instant character. Breweries, farm stores, event venues, and restaurants use Gambrel designs to create memorable buildings that stand out. The style communicates craft, tradition, and authenticity that customers respond to. Storage buildings and sheds scaled down to residential size bring Gambrel benefits to smaller projects. A 12 by 20 Gambrel shed offers dramatically more storage than a gable roof shed of the same footprint. You can install overhead lofts that nearly double your storage capacity. Cost considerations. Building a Dutch Gambrel roof barn in 2026 involves several cost factors. For the roof structure alone, on a 2,000 square foot Gambrel roof, expect to invest $16,000 to $30,000, or roughly $8 to $15 per square foot. This includes framing, sheathing, and roofing material. Metal roofing adds cost compared to asphalt shingles, but delivers superior longevity. Labor typically runs $40 to $80 per hour for experienced crews familiar with Gambrel construction. The complexity means you need skilled builders, not general laborers. However, pre-engineered trusses significantly reduce on-site labor time. Complete barn packages vary widely. A basic 30 by 40 Dutch Gambrel barn kit might cost $25,000 to $45,000 for materials. A finished 40 by 60 Barndominium with high-end finishes could run $180,000 to $300,000 total. The return on investment comes from that massive increase in usable space. You're essentially getting a two-story building for significantly less than the cost of building full two-story walls. The durability means minimal maintenance costs over decades of use. Design tips for your Dutch Gambrel project. If you're planning a Dutch Gambrel barn, keep these points in mind. Work with experienced designers or architects who understand Gambrel geometry. The angles must be calculated correctly for your span width and snow load requirements. Mistakes here compromise both appearance and structural performance. Prioritize the flared eaves detail. This is what makes it authentically Dutch. Even a subtle 12-inch flare makes a dramatic difference in appearance and function. Don't skip this feature to save costs. Plan the upper level carefully. Decide early whether it's storage, living space, or workshop area. This affects insulation requirements, window placement, stair location, and finishing details. The beauty of the Gambrel is flexibility, so maximize it. Consider dormer placement strategically. Dormers bring light and ventilation, but also add cost and complexity. Place them where they provide the most benefit and enhance the building's proportions. Choose roofing materials appropriate for your climate and budget. Metal is premium, but worth it for longevity. Architectural shingles offer good performance at lower cost. Whatever you choose, ensure proper ventilation to prevent moisture issues. Don't forget local building codes and permits. Some areas have restrictions on barn-style buildings or maximum heights. Check requirements before you commit to plans. The Dutch Gambrel roof barn represents the perfect marriage of form and function. It's a design that has stood the test of time, not because of nostalgia, but because it works. Those flared eaves still protect foundations. Those steep slopes still shed snow. That generous interior space still provides incredible value. In 2026, we have better materials and tools than the original Dutch settlers could have imagined. But we haven't improved on the fundamental brilliance of their roof design. Whether you're building a barndominium, a workshop, a storage barn, or a commercial structure, the Dutch Gambrel offers timeless appeal and practical benefits that modern alternatives struggle to match. The next time you see one of those beautiful curved barn roofs dotting the countryside, you'll know exactly why that design has endured for over 300 years. And if you're planning your own building project, now you understand why choosing a Dutch Gambrel roof might be the smartest decision you can make. If you found this deep dive valuable, give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below and tell me what type of building you'd use a Dutch Gambrel roof on. And subscribe for more content exploring the timeless building designs that continue to shape our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.